Dave called about a retaining wall project for a custom home in Moraga on a 5.5-acre sloped lot. He said the problem: multiple walls on steep terrain. The project involved 4 separate retaining walls, 1 driveway wall, ranging from 12 inches to 6 feet, and 3 backyard walls, each 3 feet tall and 90 feet long, terracing up the hillside and spaced just 3 feet apart. Civil and structural engineering drawings were already completed, requiring pier foundations. When I asked about the slope, Dave said, "You gotta be careful when you're walking it. It's that kind of steep." That immediately told us access and staging would be critical considerations. Dave was considering stackable concrete block walls to keep costs reasonable. He said, whatever way is more economical is gonna be the choice. Here's what we told him. I've probably torn out 1,000 of those walls. They look really good for 3 or 4 years, but then they start fluffing, moving, shifting, and twisting. Even if they hold structurally, they start looking terrible. With the engineering drawings requiring pier foundations and steep terrain, this project necessitated soldier pier walls with steel I-beams and pressure-treated lagging. Walls locked into the earth through deep pier foundations, rather than stacked on top of it. We scheduled a site visit to walk the property. The paved driveway provided equipment access, and the 5.5-acre lot offered an adequate staging area. The approach costs more upfront than stackable blocks, but it's the difference between a wall lasting decades versus needing replacement in 5 to 7 years. Dave wanted an economical solution, and we explained that this meant considering the 20-year cost, not just the installation cost. When dealing with multiple walls on steep terrain, engineering considerations take precedence over aesthetics. The pier system distributes loads properly and prevents the settling and movement that plagues surface installations. Years of experience with the East Bay's clay-heavy soils and challenging terrain meant we understood exactly what this Moraga hillside needed and what wouldn't work, even if it looked cheaper on paper. Dave appreciated the straight talk. Instead of just giving him a price, we took the time to explain why certain approaches fail and what his specific site required. The project moved forward with the engineered pier system, and the walls were built to handle whatever Moraga's steep terrain and heavy winter rains could throw at them. Sometimes the most economical choice isn't the cheapest one up front. It's the one you only have to build once. Ready to discuss your retaining wall project? Call 925-4600 for a free site assessment.